Hello and welcome to our day number 16 of our letters challenge for February 2019. Can you believe it? We are on the day 16. That is the half of the month or a little bit more. February is very short. Today we are lettering support what you love. And that is the best you can do for those things that you love. For today's lettering, I will be using 2 brush markers in pink and 1 fine liner and the white pen. Paper. This is the layout I want to recreate. I just use the materials to see how it will look. Let's do this. Have fun! And now it's done. Let me know in the comment if you like it and support please what you love. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.